this guide, I'm going to show you how you can reroll or just roll fast here in Slime RNG on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, if you want faster rolls, what you're going to want to do is actually go into the shop and look for any upgrades on here that specifically increase your rolls. Now, these are going to cost Robux and they are not requirements, but this is the quickest way to go ahead and do it. Anything that includes these roll speed boost will help you out pretty significantly. But once again, it's not a requirement at all. What you can actually do is earn these naturally through the upgrade menu by rolling speed boost, for example, in the loot section. Or what you can also do is go to the more clovers to increase luck, faster rolls to increase your roll speed, and bonus chance to obviously get extra bonuses, which is very helpful in the long term. As long as you naturally progress through the upgrade menu, you'll go ahead and increase these over time. But what you can also do is get yourself auto reroll as well from the upgrade menu, and then you could just hit hide and it's going to constantly reroll for you up in the very top just while you're playing the game normally, which once again is super convenient. It saves you a lot of time. That's going to be the full process though. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let's know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.